On May 4th, 2020, the Children and Family Relationships Act 2015, Parts 2 and 3 will commence. This legislation and its regulations relates to procedures carried out in a donor-assisted human reproduction DAHR facility in Ireland by a registered nurse or doctor, where the resulting child is born in the state and the intending mother is also the birth mother. The legislation clarifies the legal position of all parties involved in a DAHR procedure carried out in a clinical setting in the Republic of Ireland and in particular the children born as a result of these procedures. Surrogacy is not covered under this legislation. Upcoming legislation on assisted human reproduction makes provisions for domestic surrogacy. What changes on May 4th, 2020? 1. Donor anonymity. People who donate eggs, sperm or embryos for DAHR procedures will no longer be able to donate anonymously. From May 4th, 2020, all new donors must consent to their information being recorded on the National Donor Conceived Person Register. On turning 18, a donor-conceived child will be able to request information about their donor, which will include the donor's name, date of birth and contact details. 2. Parentage. From May 4th, 2020, a woman undergoing a DAHR procedure in a clinical setting will sign a consent to parentage regulation in advance of the procedure, and her spouse, civil partner or co-habitant, if applicable, will also sign a consent to parentage regulation in advance of the procedure. The donor of a gamete used in the DAHR procedure shall have no parental rights or duties in respect of that child. When a child is born, the clinic where the DAHR procedure took place will issue a certificate which allows intending parents who have signed the consent to parentage regulations to be named on the birth certificate.